Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican vibes, fire read. So right now I am in cool Manchester, Mandeville. So enjoy the ride. True Jamaican vibes, fire read. So right now I'm at Mega Mart. This is where you can do your shopping. A lot of big products at Mega Mart. If you like your cakes, your sweet stuff, you can come to Mega Mart in Mandeville, Manchester. And right across from Mega Mart, that's where you have the Newell Auto Parts. New and used parts, so you all can come there. So you know when you're in Mandeville, you know it's a different type of weather in Mandeville. Very cool weather in Mandeville. Just take a good look. You have to be careful and watch out for all those drivers, you know, because you see, just run the light a while ago, so you have to be very careful. So that's Manchester High School. So let us know Mandeville. So my location where I'm at right now, on my map I see where it's showing Perth Road. "20 Perth Road" in Mandeville. So when you're in Perth Road, it's about, all depends from where in Perth Road. It's about roughly about 10 minutes drive to Mandeville town. Remember in Perth, you have a Perth Estate, NHT Development, also in Perth. So big up all the Mandeville people there, Manchester, big up on yourself. Big up all the UK, USA fans them, Canada. Big up on yourself. True Jamaican vibes, fire raid, you know. So you know Manchester is a very, very big parish. A lot of different areas in Manchester that we need to know, and we will know. Fire Read will take you there on the journey. You know, a lot of persons overseas wanna come back to Jamaica and they wanna this is where they wanna live, in Manchester. So I'm just gonna give you a tour of the area. So this is the Perth Estate. If you make a left turn, that will take you to Perth Estate. As you can see, land for sale in Perth Estate. So keep on watching, guys. You can check out my playlist. You will see a video with Perth Estate. So keep on watching. On your right, you have the Broomfield Streets. So we are now at Hopetoun Meadows in Mandeville. So where I'm at right now, I am at Hopetoun Meadows in Mandeville. left, you have the Hopetown Palm. And also you have the Hopetown SDA Church. That is Hope SDA Church. See a sign say lot for sale. If you make a right turn, we'll take you all to Hopetown District. So everyone hear about the Moreland Estate. So beautiful Mandeville, Manchester. So welcome guys, welcome to Moreland Estate. I know a lot of persons like want to live in the Moreland Estate area, very nice gated community. But at the moment, I cannot give you a tour of the Moreland Estate. So thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Varied. Yeah man, yes, me people, one love and one heart, you know. One place like home, sweet Jamaica, and we love, you know. So when you're in Moreland Estate, it's about roughly about 15 minutes drive to the town center. Very big estate.